Good morning, this is my birthday. Are we still going?
Yes.
My birthday is not going so well so far. What I had on the menu for my birthday was a motorcycle ride to Dunn's and then off to Costco, a very quick pickup of prawns for dinner tomorrow because my sister's birthday tomorrow and we're having the big family party tomorrow. But it turned out to be 16 degrees this morning, so the motorcycle was off the table. However, when we got in the electric car, it was 19 wonderful muggy degrees, which meant we could have taken the motorcycle. So now I am going 40 kilometers an hour instead of 80 kilometers an hour. Not right now, because I am in fact at Dunn's. And hopefully you can hear some of what I said and he might bleep out certain parts. But happy birthday to me. I'm glad to hear that 3 of the cast were all on TV for the Scarecrow Club, and I'm very excited about seeing the movie. I can't wait. Thank you.